Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Corey and I post videos on beauty and lifestyle. So if that is something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Today's video is all about my current eyebrow routine. Around Christmas, my friend Alexia, shout out to you, she gave me the Benefit and Desi Perkins Bomb Ass Brow Kit. And it's really been a game changer for me, I gotta say. It really has. If you guys don't know, the brow kit comes with all the necessities that you need to do any type of brow, and that's why I really like it. Anything you need, it's in that kit. I really would recommend getting that. It comes with like a pomade, a brow powder, a brow setter, brow pencil, brow brush, everything that you need, all the essentials to get some bomb ass brows, okay? My eyebrow routine is something that I've never switched up. I've always used like the Anastasia dip brow for as long as I can remember. My eyebrows are pretty thick as it is, like without any product in them, because I've been growing them out for a long time and I finally have them to a point where like they need minimal filling in. So I'm really happy about that. I love a natural full brow, which is what I'm achieving today. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve my fluffy natural eyebrows, then just keep on watching. So you guys can see that my eyebrows are like pretty thick. I have a lot of eyebrow hair, and that's because I let my eyebrows grow for a very long time. As far as grooming goes, I don't really get my eyebrows done. I just do them myself. I just tweeze and I trim, because my front hairs get like super long, so I trim those as well with just like little cosmetic scissors. Occasionally, if I feel like they're getting out of control, I'll go and get them threaded. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go in with the Foolproof brow powder. So this is in the shade number 3. There's like a light shade for the front of your brow, and then there's a dark shade. I'm gonna be using just the dark shade because the light shade is a little too light because my eyebrows are pretty dark. I'm just gonna start filling in my brow. I combed through it. I'm combing up, and then I'm just gonna kind of use the powder to map out the shape of my brow, and then I'll go in with some other product to define the brow, but I just want that like general shape. I'm starting at the bottom, quarter of a way in, and I'm just kind of filling in that arch and just mapping it out. I'm going to continue to just put the powder all throughout the brow. I kind of like to not really touch the front, but I do a few little strokes in the front. All you're going to do is like flick up to mimic the hairs. So you can see I'm really lacking hair on the top. So again, just going in with that shadow and lightly filling it in and mapping out that desired shape. When it comes to the arch of the brow, a little trick I like to do is just place the brush flat. So you kind of use the side of the brush instead of like this. And then that way you can get really precise and just lay it down. Lay it down. Now I have like the general shape of my brow kind of mapped out. I'm just gonna kind of comb through. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow now. Okay, my apologies guys for the sudden change of lighting. I just realized my room light was on, which is why it was kind of looking orange. So if I wasn't able to fix it, that's why the lighting kind of changed. Okay, so now is probably, well, there's 2 products that I really love from the brow kit, but this is definitely one of my favorites, and this is the Eyebrow. So basically it's a highlighting pencil, so I'm just going to show you how I use it. I'm going to put it right under the arch, right here. I like to keep it right in that area, and then I'm just going to take like a concealer brush, and I'm going to, I like to pull a little bit in the front, and then it's just right under just gonna blend it. I concentrate it right under the arch, and then I pull a little bit to the front and just blend it out with my finger. And as you can see, it gives your brow just a nice little lift and a nice clean arch. I love it. And it's super easy to use because it's in a pencil. So this does have like a little bit of a sheen to it. So I wouldn't recommend using it like above and below. It's more to like lift the brow and highlight the brow as opposed to concealing the brow. So I'm just gonna put it on my other eyebrow. So you could see my eyebrows, they're very just clean and crisp. The next product I'm gonna be using, which is my favorite product by far, it is the 24-hour brow setter. Okay, so this is just like a brow gel and a brow setter, and it's gonna make your brows stay in place all day long. What I love about this is the brush. The way the brush is, it just makes the hairs look more like hairs, which is what I really love. So how I do it, and this is gonna really achieve like that full fluffy look that I love. So I'm just gonna run it through my brows, and I'm just combing it through in an upward motion. I really love this product because, especially for me, my left brow, for some reason, like the hairs go down. So this is gonna keep them up and looking normal. I'm gonna take the other one, and I'm just going to comb upwards. And it just separates the hair really nicely. And it really does stay all damn day. Okay, so I don't know if you guys like can see, but they're nice and just full. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. That is my updated eyebrow routine. I hope you guys like it. I just finished the rest of my makeup. I decided to go with like a peachy smoky eye. I used my I Love Sarai Dose of Colors palette. I love this palette. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I would definitely recommend getting the Benefit brow kit. If you can't get the whole brow kit, definitely would recommend getting the highbrow and the brow setter. I think those are like game changer products for me. I really love those. Sometimes when I'm in a rush and I'm not really wearing any makeup, I'll just use the highbrow to kind of like map out the brow, and then I'll just use the brow setter, and it kind of gives the appearance that like your eyebrows are like done, but like not really. Very natural. That's why I love using these for like every day. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it helps me out a lot, and I appreciate all the support and love as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.